You read the title right. I am making over $1,000 every single week through passive income NFTs. How is this all possible? You might be asking. Well, when it comes to a pretty well-known meta in the NFT space, it's called staking. Essentially, when you buy an NFT, you lock it up and you receive tokens either daily, weekly, or monthly. There are certain variables around the locked up period and how much tokens you'll be earning during this time. And of course, all these are backed by a liquidity pool with funds provided by the team or royalties. So I've got 6 pretty well-established projects that I'll be talking about in today's video that are earning me well over $1,000 every single week in total combination. We're talking about Taiyo Robotics, Huddle Whales, Generous Robots, Stoned Ape Crew, Ubics, and D-Gods. But really quickly, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a dude on the internet with a YouTube channel, a Twitter, and I shit post and I give my own opinions. So be safe, do your own research, and of course, any of these tokens can change in price, so this is the current prices right now. But really quickly, I do want to go over a couple of NFTs on a spreadsheet. Shouts out to the dude over at the DGen Boy on Twitter. And these are kind of like a full breakdown of some cheaper projects on Solana that you can get into under like a 10 Solana floor price that do have a return on investment through staking. So the first project up on today's list is going to be the Generous Robots DAO that recently introduced staking and is giving one of the highest ROI payments on the current floor price value. With a great tokenomic burn system behind it, a pretty dope looking profile picture, a very strong DAO as well. And again, you're earning quite a bit of passive income on a current 11 SOL floor price. This is how their staking UI does work, and they are rewarding different locked up periods of staking. At 60 days staked, you will be earning the max amount of tokens at 7 gear tokens a day, and we're currently looking at over 87% staked as well on a 5,555 collection. Currently, I've got 2 of these staked up on their protocol, and I'm earning currently only 4 gear a day per each one, so around 8 gear a day. I am doing the 60-day locked up one as soon as this is over. I did kind of screw up a little bit, but I do believe in this project long term, especially with Gen 2 around the corner, and overall they are introducing a bunch of cool, unique things to their roadmap. At the moment with gear, it is on average of $1.70 per token. If you're earning 7 a day, you're earning $12 a day. And with that being said, one robot with a 60-day locked up stake is earning around 83 bucks a week. And with 2 of these, I'll be earning around $170 every single week with 2 staked. So that right there is already over 10% of the 1,000 a week off of one project. So pretty fucking dope. So that's pretty dope, like I just said. But you know what's not dope? 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 20K subs, and we're so close. I started doing YouTube 3 months ago on this channel, so thank you so much for the support. It means the world to me. I love you guys with everything, and we're so close. So please support me, support your boy. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Thank you so much. Next project I want to talk about is going to be the male Huddle Whales and the female Huddle Whales as well, which are going to be their newest collection of only 1,500, and these are going for over double the floor price value of the male Huddle Whales. Down the line, you will need both one male and one female to breed for a baby whale, and there will be a paired locked staking protocol as well for a female and a whale, earning you extra krill a day. And then when you breed for the whole family, you can lock up all 3 of them and earn even more krill a day. With that being said, I currently have 4 males staked on the website, earning me 10 krill a day off of each one, so I'm earning 40 krill a day. But on top of that, I do have a female in my wallet that is earning me 15 krill a day passively without staking. Staking for the female will be introduced to the website relatively soon, and then it will all be automatic. You lock it up, you can pull it whenever you want, and then you can claim your krill. The current time, krill is 10 or 15 a day depending on male or female. The coin price is between 60 cents and $1, so I'm earning 55 krill a day, which is around $41 a day or 288 bucks a week at 75 cents a share. I got my Huddle males at around 4 to 5 Solana each. They're currently at 6, and I got my female for I think 10.8, and they're at 12.5. So hey man, more passive income, pretty nice. I'm already at $400 off of 2 projects, which is super strong. So that's 40% already. I mean, shit. We'll see how the coins currently go. I mean, again, these can fluctuate pretty much up and down, but there are hints at $1.5 million in venture capital going to the Huddle Whales team. Next up, I do want to talk about Stoned Apes and the Nuked Apes as well, as you can now get a Nuked Ape for less than half of the floor price on the Nuked Apes and still earning the All token and the Puff token every single day. With that being said, for the Stoned Ape crew, you will be earning 30 Puff tokens a day for the rolled apes in this collection, which is like the farmer, programmer, businessman, scientist, and the artist. And then there are the champions that earn 15 puff a day, which can be upgraded with the puff token itself. When it comes to nuked apes, you're looking at 3 to I think 11 puff a day on these ones, dependent on the rarity. I am looking to pick up a nuked ape as well, just for the long-term hold, because I mean, dude, some of these look absolutely fucking insane, and I love the art direction with this project. So at the current time, I am staking 1 nuked ape, earning me 42 all tokens a day and 30 puff tokens every single day. At the moment, with that being said, stoned apes with 30 puff tokens a day, they're 55 cents roughly each, so I'm earning around $17 a day, or $115 a week, or almost $500 every single month. So with the current price of Solana and the puff token, I'm earning roughly 5.5 to 6 Solana every single month on 1 stoned ape. So that's another 12% added to the weekly $1,000 that I'm earning from staking NFTs. All right, so this one's a little bit more expensive. I know it's 155 Sol floor price at the moment, which in my opinion is a steal. And if I had liquid, I'd pick up one of these under 170 because that's a great price, as I did get 2 of these at around 165 average price. And just to show you how bullish I am on Taiyos themselves, I have both of mine locked for 2 months each. I cannot touch my Taiyos. I cannot touch my scrap tokens I'm earning every single day for 2 months, because I'm bullish on Tom himself and the whole team behind Taiyo Robotics and Soulports. So with that being said, Taiyos roughly are earning me 8.5 scrap per robot, so I'm earning 17 tokens a day, which is around $68 a day or $476 a week at the current price of around $3.50 per scrap. So with the scrap at its all-time high, I'd be roughly earning $120 to $130 every single day, which would turn out to be almost $700-800 bucks a week. But at the moment, I am earning $476 a week on 2 Taiyos. D-Gods are an absolute beautiful community, a beautiful DAO, a beautiful program behind the entire thing, with a launchpad in the works, a mobile application, overall raffles and dust, tokenomic and utility behind it, and again, one of the best looking profile pictures on Solana. So these are around that 45 to 50 Solana floor price. And at the moment, I am staking 3 D-Gods on the platform for 30 dust tokens a day, which are roughly around $1 each. So I'm earning 30 bucks a day, or roughly $210 every single week on 3 D-Gods. Look at the art on the profile pictures, dude. These are the cleanest in my opinion. I love D-Gods. I love Frank. The entire protocol behind D-Gods is insane. And yeah, earning 30 dust a day at 30 bucks a day, 210 bucks a week. That's 21% of the 1,000 on just one project alone. But I did spend around 150 Sol on these 3 alone, so it's quite a bit of money. And then we've got the grand old OG Ubic. These have seen the floor price run from around like that 8-7 range all the way up to like 30 on some of the different Atom tiers. And these are based on the rarity. So if we go down to like an Atom 7, which is earning a lot of, you know, their pot token a day, these ones are a little bit more expensive, but you are earning a higher ROI through their staking protocol. So with that being said, I am earning around 350 pot tokens every single day through Ubic staking on 2 of these, one Atom 3 and one Atom 2, but I am also doing a 20% boosted stake for 6 weeks locked. So I am earning 420 pot tokens every single day, which only comes out to around $55 to $60 a week at the current price of the token. Again, this is a 6-week lock. I am probably looking to get out of Ubics after 6 weeks, as in those 6 weeks, I will only make myself around $350 to $400, which is not a lot of money in a month and a half. So we'll see what happens with Ubic itself, see how the floor price changes, and overall see what my exit strategy will look like towards the end of this locked stake protocol. I mean, yeah, those are the 6 projects I am currently staking to make over $1,000 a week. Let me know what you guys think down below on each of these projects, and of course, let me know what you think about some other staking projects that you are staking and earning passive income on. And overall, if anyone out there has some hidden gems that can make me a pretty decent ROI, because I'm looking to add more to my buck, more to my, you know what I mean, more to my bag. Yeah. A quick word from today's video sponsor, FTX. If you guys have not heard about FTX, you're living under a rock, and this is quite literally the biggest and best cryptocurrency exchange with a full Ethereum and Solana marketplace for NFTs as well. With some of the most competitive trading fees over any other platform and saving an additional 5% with my links down below, you can also earn a crypto coin with every $10 that you spend while trading on the mobile app as well. With a massive $25,000 March NFT giveaway as well going on throughout the entire month, users will need to spend over $100 on crypto or NFTs, so click the link down below, make your first deposit, support me, support yourself, and you have a chance to win. Also, use the code MARCHNFT when signing up. Also, with the Steph Curry collaboration, you can hold the Steph Curry NFT on FTX Marketplace. You have a chance to win to meet Steph Curry, meet up with him, and go through that whole shebang. FTX has a bunch of collaborations with other celebrities, artists, and athletes as well, so I think it's a no-brainer. Sign up today with the links down below. Support me, support your boy, support the channel, and thank you FTX for sponsoring today's video and the channel. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below, and I love you guys. Have a great day. Peace out.